Welcome. I created this membership group especially for you. Those of you who have been in my groups or in my classes and you want more, you want to stay connected. You know how I feel about community. This is your community. This is the membership group that you have been asking about. Some of the benefits you will get from this group is to be in community in a private Facebook group. We will meet once a month through a Zoom call, and you will have access to some of my favorite things. I will be doing giveaways every 3 months from my shop. I will also give you some discounts to my dispensary. You will be entitled to all 3 dispensaries with special pricing. The best part is that this membership group never ends. You pay once a month and you can be a part of it as long as you want, or you can cancel anytime. But in the end, you will get all the benefits of being in community and continuing this conversation, this so important conversation regarding functional nutrition and how it affects you and your family. I hope you will join me. Welcome.